Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious low-carb chocolate chip cookies. We'll focus on simple substitutions to keep the carb count down without sacrificing flavor. You'll need almond flour, a sugar-free sweetener like erythritol, and sugar-free chocolate chips. Having your butter and eggs at room temperature is a small but important step for a smooth dough. Now let's get to mixing. First, cream together 1 stick of softened butter with about 3/4 of a cup of your sugar-free sweetener until it's light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold in 2 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt until just combined. It's time to bake. Drop rounded tablespoons of your cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to space them about 2 inches apart so they have room to spread. Pop them into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Almost there. Once baked, let your delicious low-carb chocolate chip cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy them warm or store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 5 days. They're perfect for a guilt-free treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.